Hello everyone, it is Shifudon, and in this video we are going to be going over the tiger stance. Okay, so the tiger stance works like this. Again, we're in the ready position and we're going to either step left or step right. I'm going to step left. So I'm going to sink my weight down and I'm going to step left. Once I step left, I'm going to sink my weight down to the right and line up my hip, knee, and my toe as I come back. Now, if I want to shift to the other side, I sink down, shifting the weight to the other side and looking to the right. And back to the left and back to the right. Now, another version of this is when your feet are in this position. You'll notice they're both at 45 degrees. What I can do is the left foot now will face toward you guys, and the right foot stays at the 45. So I sink to the right. Now I come up, I pivot the right, and pivot the left, and then I sink left, looking right. And then again, come up, pivot, pivot, sinking right, looking left. Now, again, don't compromise your structure in your back to go deeper into this stance. If you're going to go deeper, try to maintain your vertical alignment. Your head is suspended from above, okay? Try not to lean like this. Now, you can do this if you need to practice stretching further into the stance. If you want to stretch out your legs more. So if you come here and the back is straight and you can't get down any further, then maybe start to lean a little bit to stretch, to get a stretch. And then come down and you could touch the ground. Okay? Coming up into the other side, you come down and you could touch the ground. Okay? So that's the tiger stance. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have yourself a blessed day.